Hello everyone, this is Sheriff the Broker. Today's topic is Basaksehir. As you know, until 2000s, Istanbul is between Marmara Sea and the Black Sea, the Bosphorus line. On the European side, Fatih, Beyoğlu, Beşiktaş, Şişli, Sarıyer, Kağıthane. On the Asian side, Kadıköy, Beykoz, Üsküdar. But right now, as you know, Istanbul is 20 million people. And all these people needs a new housing with its facilities, with its hospitals, shopping malls. So after 2008, Basaksehir is newly constructed with its huge size, with its many complexes and its amazing facilities. On my behind, we are starting our tour with Mall of Istanbul. Let's go on our tour. Mall, I guess this is the biggest mall I have ever came, and some people I see they are coming only for walking inside the mall. It's kind of training if you make one tour. So we are right now inside Mall of Istanbul. Mall of Istanbul is the biggest shopping mall in Istanbul. After İstinye Mall, this is the most famous shopping mall here. Not only Basaksehir, but around areas Küçükçekmece, Beylikdüzü, Bağcılar. These regions people also coming here for shopping. So because of its bigness, the size, it can consist many other people to this location. It's also one of the most important junction points of Istanbul. The road is taking you to Third Bridge. The other side is taking you to Old Airport and Bakırköy. The other side is taking you to Bulgaria, Edirne, Beylikdüzü, and this side is the second bridge road. It's taking you to inside of the Istanbul. So not only the mall position, it is also junction point. From this point, you can easily reach to the new airport in 20 minutes. So this is the around of Mall of Istanbul. I would like to show you a few minutes more the around of this shopping mall, so you can come and visit here while you are here. So Basaksehir is one of the biggest town of Istanbul, and we are right now in BAHCESEHIR district. From Mall of Istanbul to here, it took us like 20 minutes to reach this point. As you see, it is so green and nice to live in this district. But this district is different than the other central locations of Istanbul. We are right now getting into Gölet, the lake of park of BAHCESEHIR, because it is consisting of many complexes. Let's enter and I will go on. We are right now inside the BAHCESEHIR Gölet. All around, as you see, it's consisting of many complexes of BAHCESEHIR. BAHCESEHIR is one of the sub-district of Basaksehir. People are right now enjoying the green area because it is the pandemic period and they want to get the clean air at this time. They get their foods and they lay on the grass and enjoy the day here. It is midweek right now. It is not so busy, but it is enough to enjoy. So life is mostly consisting of complexes. Each complex has its own facilities, own security, own entrances. So you cannot see that there are streets of narrow streets of buildings without parking lot, without facilities or shops in front of streets. Currently, people who live here, they need car to go to their home, to come here. But after a few years later, we expect that all around these districts there will be a possibility to reach by metro. So this will make these locations much more valuable in few years. But currently it's so nice to live in this district. Maybe it is difficult to go central Istanbul. It takes time, maybe 1 hour to reach Şişli or Taksim from this point. But as it is, if you are coming to Istanbul to live more affordable prices, as you see around here, the people who is enjoying today, maybe you notice that more conservative people, more family life is here. It's also affected the facilities and designs of the complexes. The social facilities of the complexes, the gym, the swimming pool, the other facilities are all separated for ladies and men inside the complexes. So the people would prefer to live here. That's why they are coming here. I'm enjoying my day in this green area and the nice weather in the end of May. Basaksehir, as you know, it's constructed lately after 2000s and it's consisting of large lands. It's making it possible to create the mega projects. For example, Turkey's biggest Olympic stadium is in Basaksehir. Basaksehir sport team also with successes. As you know, last year they had been champion in Turkey. Sakura Hospital, one of the biggest hospital in Turkey, is constructed in Basaksehir. And also they are planning to make some medical center of Turkey in Basaksehir. So this is also making that this population, doctors, nurses, health, medical people will live in this district, and these projects will be occupied with these people. And all these constructions will be connected with the metro network of Istanbul. So this is promising for future and also connecting the neighbor towns to each other. We will be also mentioning about the new project which is Kanal Istanbul. We don't know yet it will be constructed or not, but this is the biggest project of Turkey for future right now. It was an amazing day. We did huge tour by car because Basaksehir is really huge. From Mall of Istanbul to Basaksehir, Basaksehir to Olympic Stadium location, Kayaşehir, all these locations are in a really huge town. And this huge town is promising an amazing future with its empty lands, empty locations. Still, there will be many projects next 5-10 years here. There will be metro stations, there will be big hospitals, medical centers. Already many of them is constructed. On my behind, what we have is the Olympic Stadium. In 2005, Liverpool and Milan Champions League final has been occurred here. And 2023, there will be again Champions League final here. Clean air inside this location, and it's empty right now. They are waiting the games. So, thank you for watching today. It was a nice tour. We don't know yet what will be the next episode. You can write under the comments which town you want us to tour of Istanbul. Of course, until the end of these tours, we will be ending all the towns of Istanbul. Basaksehir is one of the biggest. And also, I didn't mention yet, Kanal Istanbul project going to be happen next 5-10 years, and it will be separating Basaksehir and Arnavutköy. Between Basaksehir and Arnavutköy, there will be huge canal passing ships from Marmara Sea to Black Sea. So this will make double, triple the value of this location. See you on the next episode. The broker is out.